Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. For the new year, we are going to solve the problem of this microwave leaking radiation permanently. Today we have 3 laptop computers and 1 piano that's going to go with it.
Embedded into the stump.
No way. That's insane.
Look at how deep the grooves are. Forgot the foot pedal.
Oh, the foot pedal survived. Next time, foot pedal.
Look at the marks on the tree. You can see the cloud of smoke up in the trees yet.
Wow. I did not think it was going to take out that entire piano. I thought we were still going to have a chunk left. What was that? Was that a speaker?
Yeah, totally twisted.
It's just, it just blows my mind how it just disappears.
Vaporized, you're right.
Round 2, the pressure cooker. No, if it's anything like last time, it's gone.
Nope. Well, I don't know what it could have been.
Ooh, how's our stump doing? Yeah, stump looks okay. Wait, did this get even more mangled than last time?
Yep. It almost bent back round. It was like it was on more oval before.
No, there's never anything left of it. You remember last time just the bottom of it was left? It was like a
What's
perfectly
this?
cut out plate.
Threads of metal in the tree. Look at that. There's a piece of pressure cooker right there.
Oh man. Yeah, it's like somebody was shooting an automatic rifle at this.
Look at all this shrapnel in the tree.
Yeah, there's more over here.
Way over there in that tree. I don't think I'd want to be any closer than where we were at.
Look at this. It's just
How thick that is and destroyed it.
was that in the tree?
Yeah, this was in the tree. I just picked it up.
Wow. Yeah, because I mean, it looks like the blast radius was about, what, about 10 feet?
Pretty far.
Because that tree over there, I don't see anything. So I'd say like anything within 10 feet, you were gonna get blasted.
Yeah, even that's way further than David was.
Yeah, that was an unlucky soul there.
Right.